We realized some time ago that we had a goat's breakfast of on-prem systems, like heavily customized SAP or ERP, like you mentioned, custom code, software as a service for a number of different functions, including HR functions that didn't even include all of the business processes that are involved in that, and a lot of manual effort. As you can imagine, adapting to change or even keeping up with technology advancements was nearly impossible. So we created a rigorous scoring criteria to evaluate various different solutions across all of these things, HCM, supply chain, thinking that if we brought them all under one roof, that the solution that we wanted would be one platform, mobile, modern, supported, and the Oracle solution proved to be the most complete modern suite of enterprise applications on a common platform, allowing us to concentrate on our business and not on the technology that supports it. And that was really what we were looking for.
What were some of the changes you've seen in terms of the process, and what have been some of the benefits you've seen?
So I would say two things. One, getting people to realize that this is an end-to-end business process, and they've had experiences where we've made changes in one part of the system and they're really seeing how things are interrelated to each other. So I think it's helped to break down some silos, frankly, within our company. The second thing would be the cadence of the constant quarterly updates, or in the case of EPM, monthly updates. And that's a big change for us. So from my standpoint, we've laid in the foundation here, and the upside is really adopting the new technologies that Oracle is bringing to bear. So we're now seeing that we can continually improve our business processes, and this software continues to evolve, and we want to make sure that our business processes are evolving as well, so that we can be best in class where it provides savings or benefits for our owners.